How to make money online in Germany. 9 best ways. Best work from home and online jobs in Germany. Because I am German, I have compiled some research about the German online job and work market, so that you can see how easy it is to earn money online in Germany. 1. Translator. With over 130 million language speakers and about 6 countries considering German as their official language, rest assured that as a translator, there will always be a demand for your services, as Alexandra Beckerback explains in our interview on my YouTube channel, plus tips on becoming a freelance translator. 2. Blogger. Start a blog and take Seeker Host University online courses as I did to get on top of WordPress, SEO and monetization. I found my domain name and built my blog with the Seeker panel, which allows me to track and analyze my website stats, which now attracts over 1,000 visitors monthly. 3. Data entry. Data is the new gold, and anyone with computer skills can do this. I provide more tips on highly rated online job sites in Clickdo's Make Money Online Kindle book, where I cover international job sites many Germans also use, such as Fiverr, Upwork and more. 4. Online surveys. This is one of the best WFH hustles while working full-time in your main job. Doing online surveys, however, does not lead to a skill set that would enable you to build on for a career. 5. Content writer, copywriter. What is needed is a good grasp of language, extensive vocabulary, ability to research quickly, formulate thoughts, and pen them down in simple, lucid sentences that appeal to a reader. I regularly share copywriting tips on my blog in English and German. To see how popular this role is and how many job opportunities you may find, check out the 4 most popular copywriter jobs and content writer jobs platforms for freelance writers blog posts on my manuelawillbold.com/blog/. 6. SEO. Fernando Raymond, the #1 SEO consultant at Clickdo, who is also a course instructor at Seeker Host University, shares many SEO tips, and at Clickdo we regularly share the best SEO tips via our blogs and socials at clickdo.co.uk. 7. Virtual assistant. From writing emails to drafting circulars and proofreading press releases, it is all in a day's work for a virtual assistant, and you can advertise your services in German or English via freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork or job sites like Indeed. 8. Social media analyst. Many German businesses will look for assistance with their social media activities for perhaps just a few hours a week, as they might already use marketing automation tools that just require some human input for post and ad creation and scheduling. 9. Video gamer. You need to invest time, skill and effort to maintain and build a gaming server for monetization, like a unique Minecraft world for example, and a dedicated community for other players. Beginners can buy a Minecraft server from a reliable hosting provider like Seeker Host, and they can read more about how to get started with the Seeker Host Minecraft server guide interlinked on my blog. Final thoughts. By getting in early and establishing yourself in the field, you surely have an unbeatable advantage in the German and international online job market. I highly recommend starting a blog, which you can use as a professional online presence and portfolio as I do on manuelawillbold.com, or to share your passion, expertise and knowledge, which I do with the blogs I manage. Whatever you choose to do, you will grow, thrive and make money if you put in the smart work. Plus you'll become a digital nomad, working from anywhere in the world.